Good morning, students. Welcome to Mudra classes. So today we are going to discuss the first year intermediate economics from first chapter, basic concepts of economics. Okay. So yesterday there is the previous classes, the previous videos. We completed branches of economics. That the micro and macro concepts are completed. And one more important topic in the examination point of view as well as subjective point of view, basic concepts of economics. Okay. So under part of the basic concepts of economics, there are certain fundamental basics of the economics as here. So number one, goods. Okay. Students, first one is what? Goods. Number two. Okay. Number two is a wealth. And number three, income. Number four, utility. Number five, price. Number six, value. And number seven, wants. And number eight, welfare. Okay. So basic concepts of economics. Number one, goods. First concept is goods. Second one, wealth. Third one, income. Fourth one, utility. Fifth one, price. Sixth one, value. Seventh one, wants. And eighth one, welfare. Dear one, under part of these concepts, goods considered as 5 marks, wealth considered as 2 marks, income considered as 5 marks, and utility considered as 5 marks, price considered as 2 marks, value considered as 2 marks, wants considered as 5 marks, and welfare considered as 2 marks. Okay. So almost in examination point of view, 70 to 80% of the questions we obtain from only these basic concepts of the economics to the public exam. So these 8 types of the concepts you should learn perfectly. Definitely you will be get one 5 marks question and two 2 marks question. Two 2 marks, approximately 9 marks we obtain from these concepts of economics to the public exam. Okay, right? Now we are going to discuss all these concepts of the economics one by one. Okay. Yeah, students. First concept is the concept one, that is goods. Okay, goods. The concept of goods. First of all, what is the meaning of goods and what are the classifications of goods we are going to discuss now. Yes, first of all, what is the meaning of good? Good is nothing but all the things that have value. All the things that have value. Things is nothing but this is pen. For example, it is one of the thing. Book, one of the thing. Like all the things have value and satisfy the human wants. All the things that have value and satisfy human wants at a point of time is called goods. Okay na? Goods ni economics lo మనం commodities అంటాం నన్ను. Commodities. Okay, commodities. commodities also known as goods. Okay, so all the things that have value and satisfy human wants. గూడ్స్ ని మనము వస్తువులు అంటాము. అసలు వస్తువు అంటే ఏంటి? ప్రతి థింక్ అంటే ఒక పదార్థానికి, పదార్థము అంటే థింక్. ఓకే, ప్రతి పదార్థానికి విలువ ఉంటుంది అంటే వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ప్రతి పదార్థం కూడా హ్యూమన్ వాంట్స్ ని సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది అంటే మనిషి కోరికను తీరుస్తుంది. సో మనిషి కోరికను తీరుస్తూ విలువ ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రతి ఒక్క అంశాన్ని కూడా అంటే ప్రతి ఒక్క థింగ్ ని కూడా మనము గూడ్గా అంటే వస్తువుగా ట్రీట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ గూడ్స్ మ్యాన్? yes, goods is nothing but all the things that have value and satisfy human wants is known as goods. Okay, right? So that is the basic meaning of the goods. Now the goods are divided into two types. Goods are divided into two types basically. One, it is materialistic goods, and second one, non-materialistic goods. 1 minute beta. Materialistic and non-materialistic goods. Materialistic and non-materialistic goods. Okay, materialistic goods and non-materialistic goods. What is the differences? Material, non-material. Listen carefully. Materialistic goods is nothing but all the physical objects. That means all the tangible things. All the tangible things are called materialistic goods. All the tangible things means all these materialistic goods are possible to touch, possible to see, that is possible to visible, and it's also possible to transferable. Okay, which things are possible to see, possible to touch, possible to transfer? Those type of the physical objects are called materialistic goods. Yes, you understand? Yes, materialistic goods is nothing but which goods are possible to touch, possible to see, and possible to transfer to others. These kind of the things are called materialistic things. That's why all those goods are also called tangible goods or tangible things. Okay, coming into second one, non-materialistic goods. Okay, non-materialistic goods means all the intangible things. All the intangible things are called non-materialistic goods. Okay, so non-materialistic goods are not possible to touch, not possible to see, not possible to transfer. Okay, so all kind of the services, intangibles is nothing but services. All the services are treated as a non-materialistic goods. Okay, so students, the goods are divided into basically two types: materialistic goods, non-materialistic goods. The materialistic goods are called tangible things. Tangibles are nothing but it's a visible, touchable, transferable. And non-materialistic goods are nothing but intangible things. Intangibles is nothing but like services. You know already, services are not possible to see, not possible to touch, and not possible to transfer. Okay, like these are the basic goods deviation or divides. Okay, materialistic and non-materialistic goods. Okay, and coming into in this basic concept of the goods, we are going to discuss only the physical things, that is the tangible things. What is that concept only we are going to discuss. Intangible things is services. Goods and services is a part of the economic activity, but tangible things are divided into many types. Now we are going to discuss. Okay, so students, goods are divided into basically two types: materialistic goods, non-materialistic goods. Materialistics are possible to touch and see and transfer. Non-materialistics are is called services. It is not possible to touch and see and also transferable. Okay, and next, now the materialistic goods. The materialistic goods are divided into two types. The materialistic goods are classified into two types. They are non-economic goods and economic goods. First one, non-economic goods, and second one, economic goods. Okay, so the non-economic goods also known as free goods. Okay, so economic goods and non-economic goods. The material goods are divided into, the materialistic goods are divided into two types, that is economic goods, non-economic goods and economic goods. So non-economic goods also known as free goods. Okay, so physical things means directly visible to touchable and possible to transfer. That the total materialistic goods are divided into two types, that is the non-economic goods and economic goods. The non-economic goods also called free goods. Now we are going to discuss two types of the basic goods, that is a free good and a economic good. Okay, what is the meaning of free good? Free goods also called as non-economic good. Free goods also called as non-economic good, which goods are freely supplied by the nature. Without any price. Freely supplied by the nature without any price are called free good. This free goods also known as, what is that? Non-economic good. And this goods supply is always abundant. Abundant is nothing but unlimited. Okay, so there is a non-economic goods, like free goods are called non-economic goods. Non-economic goods is nothing but these goods are freely supplied by the nature without price, without any price. అంటే మనం నేచర్ నుంచి డైరెక్ట్ గా మనము వాడుకునేటటువంటి వస్తువులు, ఇవి నేచర్ గిఫ్ట్ అన్నమాట. నేచర్ గిఫ్ట్ అయినటువంటి గూడ్స్ అన్నిటిని ఫ్రీ గూడ్స్ అంటాము. ఈ గూడ్స్ కి ప్రైస్ 0 ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో దీస్ గూడ్స్ సప్లై ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ abundant. Abundant is nothing but unlimited than their demand. Okay, so for example, water, sunshine, yes, air, etc. Okay, water, sunshine, air, these kind of the goods are called free good. Why? Because these goods, this type of the goods, yes, sunshine and water and air, these three types of the goods we are getting from the nature directly without any price. Okay, this good supply is always unlimited than the demand. Okay, right. So the 2 marks point of view is a very important. Free goods is nothing but freely supplied by the nature without any price, and this good supply is always unlimited than their demand. So example, water, sunshine, air. Remember, right? Coming into second one, economic good. Economic goods are maybe is a physical object that we are getting from nature or maybe man-made. Nature or maybe man-made. Nature or man-made. Okay, nature or man-made. So which goods are mostly man-made? Mostly. Okay, which goods are mostly man-made and which goods have a price? Which goods have a price and which goods supply is always limited than their demand. Limited than their demand. Such kind of the goods are called economic goods. Example, books, comma, pens, comma, exactly number of items, TV, yes, mobile, like etc. Okay, so books, pens, TV, laptop, mobile, all these kind of the goods are called economic goods. Why? Because all these type of the goods made by man, not by nature. Okay, made by man, and also these goods have a price in the market. Okay, freely we are not getting like this kind of the goods, and this goods supply is always limited than their demand. Okay, na beta? So నాన్ ఎకనామిక్ గుడ్, ఫ్రీ గూడ్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? నేచర్ నుంచి వచ్చేటివి కాబట్టి ప్రైస్ ఉండదు. మరి ఎకనామిక్ గూడ్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? మనిషి తయారు చేస్తాడు కాబట్టి మ్యాన్ మేడ్ అన్నాడు. మ్యాన్ అంటే ఎవరు? మనిషి. సో మనిషి తయారు చేసేటటువంటి వస్తువులన్నీ కూడా ఎకనామిక్ గూడ్స్ అవుతాయి. అందుకే వీటికి ప్రైస్ ఉంటుంది, ఫ్రీగా సప్లై చేయలేరు కదా. ఓకే, సో దట్స్ వై ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఏంటి? బుక్స్, పెన్స్, టీవీ, మొబైల్, ఫ్యాన్ ఎక్సెట్రా. ఓకే, సో ఫ్రీ గూడ్స్, ఎకనామిక్ గూడ్స్. Particularly economic goods is very very important for 2 marks point of view in the public examination. Okay, so now we are going to discuss which are the differences between free goods and economic goods. Differences between free goods and economic goods. Okay students, materialistic goods are divided into 2 types: non-economic goods, economic goods. Non-economic goods also called free goods. Example, water, sunshine, air. And economic goods are man-made goods. That man-made goods are, that is a nature or maybe man-made. Example, books, pens, TV, mobile, etc. Okay, and now we are going to discuss differences between free goods and economic goods. Okay, so continuation topic is differences between free goods and economic goods. Okay, differences between free goods and economic goods is a very important for 5 marks. Okay, so the public examination point of view is a very important. So differences between the free goods and economic goods. Yes, now we are going to observe the table. Okay, in the first column we mention the free good and second column economic goods. Okay, so differences between the free goods and economic goods. Free goods, economic goods. Yes, listen, number 1, yes, free goods are gift by nature. Free goods are gift by nature. Yes, economic goods are mostly man-made goods. Okay, what is the first difference? Yes, free goods are freely supplied by the nature. Freely supplied by the nature, freely gift by the nature. But economic goods are mostly man-made. Man-made అంటే మనిషి తయారు చేసినటువంటివి. అది ఫస్ట్ డిఫరెన్స్. నెంబర్ 2, free goods have no price. Have no price. have no price. Okay, free goods have no price, but economic goods have a price. Why? Because economic goods are mostly man-made goods. That's why economic goods have a price, but free goods have no price. Okay, and third one, free goods supply is always unlimited. Supply is always unlimited. Abundant is nothing but unlimited. And economic goods supply is always limited. Okay, always limited. Okay, third difference is what? The differences between the free good and economic good. Third difference is supply of the free goods are always unlimited, because these goods given by nature. That's why it's unlimitedly we can use. And economic goods supply is always limited, because these goods are man-made. So compared to demand and supply, here the supply is high, demand is low. But here the supply is less, demand is more. Okay, so that's why the supply is always limited than their demand. But here the supply is always abundant, that is unlimited than their demand. అంటే డిమాండ్ తో కంపేర్ చేసినప్పుడు వీటి సప్లై ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, అంటే ఫ్రీ గుడ్ ది, అండ్ డిమాండ్ తో కంపేర్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎకనామిక్ గుడ్ సప్లై తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, దట్ ఇస్ ద థర్డ్ డిఫరెన్స్. అండ్ ఫోర్త్ డిఫరెన్స్, ఓకే, the free goods have no cost of production, and here the economic goods have a cost of production. Okay, have no cost of production, have a cost of production. Free goods have no cost of production. Why? Because these goods are not made by man. Free goods ni manishi తయారు చేయడు కాబట్టి ఫ్రీ గూడ్స్ కి కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడక్షన్ ఉండదు, అంటే తయారు చేయడానికి ఖర్చు ఉండదు. ఎందుకంటే ఇవి ఫ్రీగా నేచర్ నుంచి వస్తున్నాయి, డైరెక్ట్ వాడేసుకుంటున్నాం, కాబట్టి వీటిని తయారు చేయడానికి ఎలాంటి అమౌంట్ మనము ఖర్చు చేయం. కానీ ఎకనామిక్ గూడ్స్ ఆర్ మోస్ట్లీ మ్యాన్ మేడ్ గూడ్స్ కాబట్టి మనిషి తయారు చేసేటప్పుడు రా మెటీరియల్ యూజ్ చేస్తాడు, లేబర్ యూజ్ చేస్తాడు, పవర్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ యూజ్ చేస్తాడు, ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్ ఛార్జెస్ అండ్ సో మెనీ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి, కాబట్టి వీటికి కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడక్షన్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో ఫ్రీ గూడ్స్ హ్యావ్ నో కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడక్షన్, economic goods have a cost of production. Yes, coming into fifth point, yes, free goods have both that is value in use and exchange. Value in use and exchange. Value in use and value in exchange. Sorry. Value in use only. Value in use only. Value in use only, but no exchange value. Exchange value. Okay, so free goods have value in use only, but no value in exchange. But economic goods have both value in use and value in exchange. Value in use and value in exchange. So here, what is the differences between the value in use and value in exchange? Value in use means only the goods utilized by the man. Once it is used, the total value is completed. That the same good is not possible to transfer to others. So, free goods are freely gifted by nature. For example, water. Water we can use only once. Once we can use the water, that the water is not possible to transfer to others. That's why no exchange value. Only have use value. So free goods have only value in use, but no value in exchange. And economic goods are man-made. Okay, the physical object. So that's why these economic goods have both value in use as well as value in exchange. For example, textbook. Okay, textbook we can use in the inter first year, and then the same textbook we also transfer to our juniors in next year. So that's why textbook have value in use to us and also have value in exchange. So economic goods have both value in use and value in exchange, but free goods have only value in use but no value in exchange. Okay, so last difference, that is sixth point, free good values. Free good values are not included in national income. Not included in national income. Okay, and economic goods good value. Economic good values are included in national income. Okay, so the last difference between the free good and economic good, the free good values are not included in national income, but economic good values are included in national income. Why? Because the free good have no price. That's why without price, how we calculate in the national income? Not possible. So that's why the free good values are not included in national income, but economic good values are included in national income, because economic goods are man-made goods, but these goods also have a price. So that's why the economic good values are included in national income. Okay, free good values are not included in national income. The economic good values are included in national income. Okay, so these are the 6 differences between the free good and economic good. Okay, so these the 6 differences is enough for getting the 5 marks. So very important, every year it is a repeated question to the public exam. So very easy, the 6 differences you should be concentrate one by one. Free goods and economic goods. Free goods are freely supplied by the nature, economic goods are mostly man-made. So based on that you can compare both. Right, students? So the differences between the free good and economic goods are completed. Okay, so this is the session today. Thank you.